Hey guys, I'm back with a little bulletin for you, a little tabletop bulletin if you will. This is the Baofeng DM32UV. It is one of my favorite radios. It is my top pick for anyone just getting into DMR. But even if you've been in DMR like I have, I still like it. I still use it. It's become one of my favorites. I just like the design. It's really well built. Flat dark earth coiler is cool, of course, but it's really easy to use. You can program it from the front. The CPS isn't too bad. And it's just generally an excellent radio, especially for the money. Now, this one I got from Banggood.com. And right now, if you buy one from Banggood.com, it's about $65, $64.99. And I think you do pay tax when you order from Banggood. But in any case, I found a better deal. This is the DM32UV, just like the other one, except this is in green. Now, this is $69.99. And you're saying, Matt, how can that be a better deal when this is $64.99 and this is $69.99? Well, let me show you why. This is the box that this radio came in. And I did get this as part of the Vine program, but I did not get it as to do this review. I had to write a review. This is a completely separate thing. This is just such a good deal, I had to share it. So, you get the radio, of course. You get the standard antenna. You get the battery. Cool. Here's everything else you get. Speaker mic. Cloth holster with black and white US flags. Tactical antenna, you know, one of those like tape measure antennas. You get the hard plastic holster as well as that cloth one. You get these plastic rings to put around the antennas. I guess if you have multiple radios, you can identify them with these. I've never used them, but they're there. Of course, the belt clip. You get the cradle charger. You get a USB-C cable. You get an earpiece. You get the programming cable with the software included. You don't have to download it from the website. And you get a US plug with the USB-C charging on it. Additionally, you get this little stubby antenna. These things are really good if you're just walking around your house and using a hotspot. So for $3 more, you get all this plus one of the best radios to come out in recent history. So I'm going to leave a link to this in a pinned comment at the top of the comments so you can find it. Absolutely, hands down, the best value that I have ever found for a DMR radio. With all this included, there's no comparison. So yeah, I just wanted to bring that to your attention because it's a phenomenal deal. All right, hope you enjoyed the video. And remember, when it comes to tech, I've got you covered.